Should you be drinking lemon water every single day? And is it actually doing something real for your body, or is it just another wellness trend that sounds great but doesn't hold up? You've probably heard a lot of big claims about lemon water over the years. Some people swear it detoxes your liver, others say it melts fat, others claim it changes your blood chemistry entirely. It can be hard to know what's real and what's just noise. Today we're clearing all of that up. Because lemon water does work, it has real, measurable benefits for your body, but probably not for the reasons most people think. In this video, we're going to go through 7 real benefits that lemon water can bring to your health, 2 risks you should know about, and the biggest myth surrounding it that keeps getting repeated everywhere. By the end, you'll know exactly whether this small, easy habit belongs in your daily routine. And before we dive in, I want to hear from you. Do you already drink lemon water every day? Have you tried it before and given up? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. Now let's get into it. Benefit number 7, lemon water can reduce fat in your liver. When most people hear this, they picture lemon somehow scrubbing the liver clean. That's not what's happening. But the real reason it works is just as useful. When you drink lemon water, you're replacing something else. You're not reaching for the juice, the soda, the sweetened iced tea, or the coffee loaded with sugar. And those sugary drinks are the #1 source of added sugar in most people's diets. Take orange juice. A lot of people start their morning with a glass of OJ and believe they're making a healthy choice. But it spikes your blood sugar and floods your system with fructose. When your body gets more fructose than it can handle, the overflow gets deposited directly into your liver. That's how non-alcoholic fatty liver disease develops, even in people who never drink alcohol. Now compare that to a glass of water with half a squeezed lemon. Fewer than 10 calories, barely any sugar. And the fructose load is roughly 3 times lower than what you'd get from orange juice. There's also an important difference between drinking juice and eating the actual fruit. When you eat a whole orange, you chew through the fiber, and that fiber slows sugar absorption. You're not going to eat 5 oranges in a sitting. But with juice, you've swallowed the sugar equivalent of 5 oranges in 30 seconds, with no fiber at all. So if you want to start bringing down liver fat, swapping your morning sugary drink for lemon water is one of the most painless changes you can make. And it's just a swap. But over months and years, it adds up to something genuinely significant. Benefit number 6, it can improve your skin. Lemon contains 2 things that matter here: vitamin C and a group of plant compounds called flavonoids. Your body needs vitamin C to produce collagen. And collagen is what keeps your skin firm, elastic and smooth. Without enough of it, skin begins to sag. You get lines and looseness. But here's something most people miss. Collagen isn't only in your skin, it's in your joints and your bones too. So keeping your vitamin C levels up matters well beyond appearances. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin cells from free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that cause cellular damage over time. Think of it like rust. The same oxidation process that corrodes metal is happening in your cells when free radicals go unchecked. They come from air pollution, sun exposure, and artificial light. Vitamin C helps slow that damage down. The flavonoids in lemon have their own antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects on top of that. One very important practical note: squeeze your lemon fresh right before you drink it. Vitamin C breaks down quickly once it hits the air, and heat destroys it completely. If you squeeze lemon into water and leave it in the fridge overnight, most of the vitamin C is gone by morning. Fresh means fresh. Squeeze it, drink it. Benefit number 5, it helps protect against kidney stones. Kidney stones are one of the most painful experiences a person can go through. And lemon water turns out to be genuinely useful here for 2 distinct reasons. First, you're drinking more water. Staying well hydrated is the single most effective thing you can do to prevent kidney stones. When you're not getting enough fluids, minerals in your urine become concentrated. Concentrated minerals form crystals. Crystals grow into stones. Hydration keeps everything moving through properly. Second, lemon juice is rich in citrate. Citrate works against kidney stones from multiple angles. It inhibits the growth of the 2 most common types of stones, calcium oxalate and calcium phosphate, which together account for about 80% of all cases. It also raises the pH of your urine, making it more alkaline. That shift can actually dissolve small crystals before they become real stones. If you've already had a kidney stone or you know you're prone to them, drinking lemon water at least twice a day is one of the most practical preventive steps you can take. Benefit number 4, it improves digestion. Drinking lemon water before a meal or first thing in the morning can help your body break down food more effectively. The citric acid in lemon triggers your stomach to produce more hydrochloric acid, which is what your stomach uses to digest food. When you have enough of it, digestion runs smoothly. When you don't, food sits longer than it should, you feel bloated and heavy, and your body doesn't absorb nutrients as well. This matters more as we get older. After a certain point, the body naturally produces less stomach acid. It's a very common issue that causes a lot of digestive discomfort, that people often blame on other things. Lemon water also stimulates the wave-like muscle contractions that move food through your digestive tract, and vitamin C significantly improves your body's ability to absorb iron from food. Iron deficiency is more common than most people realize. The symptoms include fatigue, weakness, and trouble concentrating. Getting enough vitamin C at meals helps your body actually use the iron you're eating. Benefit number 3, it supports your immune system. Vitamin C plays a central role in keeping your immune system functioning well. It supports the production of white blood cells, your body's first line of defense against infection. It has antiviral and antibacterial properties, and it helps your immune response kick in faster when you need it. But there's another layer that most people don't hear about, the gut connection. Research has found that lemon water can help reduce gut dysbiosis, which is an unhealthy imbalance of bacteria in your digestive system. More good bacteria, fewer harmful ones. And your gut and your immune system are deeply connected. A large portion of your body's immune activity happens right in your digestive tract. When your gut bacteria are balanced, your whole body is better protected, not just against digestive problems, but against illness in general. Benefit number 2, hydration and why it matters more than people think. Does lemon water count toward your daily fluid intake? Absolutely. And staying properly hydrated is one of the most fundamental things you can do for your health at any age. The honest problem most of us have is that plain water is boring. A lot of people simply don't drink enough because there's nothing to it and they reach for something else. Adding lemon changes the experience. It gives the water a fresh, slightly tart flavor that makes it more appealing and more likely that you'll actually finish the glass and refill it. Proper hydration isn't a minor thing. It drives your metabolism. It keeps your digestive system moving. It helps your body clear out waste. It supports focus and energy throughout the day. When you're even mildly dehydrated, you feel it. Sluggish, mentally foggy, tired even after a good night's sleep. Starting the day with 2 or 3 glasses of lemon water before you reach for food or coffee is one of the best morning habits you can build. It wakes up your system, gets your metabolism going, and gives you real energy that doesn't crash later. Lemon also contains potassium, a mineral your muscles and your heart depend on. Potassium helps prevent cramps and muscle weakness, and it supports a regular heart rhythm. If you've ever woken up at night with a painful leg cramp, low potassium is often part of the reason. One note, if you have kidney disease or any kidney-related condition, check with your doctor before significantly increasing your potassium intake. For most people it's completely fine, but always worth confirming if you have an existing condition. Benefit number 1, it can support weight loss. Let me be direct about this one. Lemon water is not a weight loss product on its own. Squeezing a lemon into your water and changing nothing else will not cause you to lose weight. But indirectly, it absolutely can play a meaningful role. And the mechanism is the same one we've already discussed. What you're replacing. When you swap a sugary drink for lemon water, you lower your sugar intake and reduce your calorie load. Less sugar means lower insulin levels, and insulin is the hormone that tells your body to store fat. When insulin stays chronically elevated, losing weight becomes very difficult no matter how much effort you put in. High insulin over time is also one of the main pathways toward type 2 diabetes. Research also shows that drinking water before meals reduces how many calories people eat at that meal. You feel slightly fuller before you start, so you eat a little less. Over time, that adds up. Think about it this way. Imagine swapping your morning juice or soda for lemon water every single day. Not occasionally. Every day? Now multiply that by a year, by 5 years, by 10 years. The effect on your weight, your blood sugar, your liver, and your energy is not small. It's genuinely substantial. And it costs almost nothing to do. Now the 2 risks you should know about. Risk number 1. It can irritate your stomach if you drink it on an empty stomach. Because lemon increases acid production in your stomach, it can be a problem for people who already deal with acid reflux, gastritis, or stomach ulcers. The added acid can irritate a sensitive lining and cause heartburn or discomfort. If this sounds like you, don't drink lemon water first thing before eating anything. Have it with a meal or wait until after you've eaten. That one simple adjustment removes most of the risk while keeping the benefits. Risk number 2. Over time, it can wear down your tooth enamel. This surprises most people. The citric acid in lemon is acidic enough to gradually erode the enamel on your teeth, and once enamel is gone, it does not grow back. As it wears away, your teeth become sensitive to cold, heat, and sweets. To protect yourself, drink your lemon water through a straw, so the liquid bypasses your teeth as much as possible. Rinse your mouth with plain water right after, and don't brush your teeth immediately. Wait at least 30 minutes. Brushing while enamel is softened from the acid can remove more of it. Those 2 steps are usually enough to protect your teeth while you're still getting everything you're looking for. One more note on preparation. Warm or cold water, whichever you prefer. There's no meaningful health difference. But if you deal with constipation, warm lemon water has a mild laxative effect that can be helpful. Standard recipe is half a lemon squeezed into a glass of water. You can add fresh ginger, a pinch of turmeric, or a dash of cinnamon for extra antioxidant benefit without adding sugar. Go easy on honey if you use it, since it's still a sugar. Now let's clear up the biggest myth. You may have heard that lemon water alkalizes your blood. The idea is that lemon changes your blood's pH and makes your body more alkaline, which supposedly prevents disease. This is not true. Your blood pH is tightly regulated and stays within a very narrow range no matter what you eat or drink. Your kidneys and your lungs maintain that balance constantly. If your blood pH shifted significantly based on food, that would be a medical emergency. Your body simply does not allow that to happen. What lemon water can do is shift the pH of your urine towards slightly more alkaline. And as we covered with kidney stones, that shift is genuinely beneficial for preventing certain types of stones. But it has absolutely nothing to do with your blood chemistry. The alkaline blood claim is a myth. The kidney stone protection from more alkaline urine? That one is very real. So is lemon water worth making part of your daily life? My honest answer is yes. Some of the biggest claims made about it are exaggerated or simply wrong. But the real benefits are solid and well supported. The risks are real but manageable with easy precautions. Lemon water is low in calories, low in sugar, easy to make, inexpensive, and it genuinely supports your hydration, digestion, immune system, skin, and kidneys. And for a lot of people, it becomes the small daily habit that naturally edges out the sugary drinks they used to reach for without thinking. That one substitution alone can have a bigger impact on your long-term health than almost any product or supplement you'll ever come across. So start today. Squeeze half a lemon into your morning water and give it a few weeks. And tell me in the comments, are you going to give this a try? Have you been doing it for years and noticed a real difference? What's your experience? I want to hear your story. Drop it below. And if you know someone who would benefit from hearing this, share this video with them. It might be exactly the nudge they need.